In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in n8n. If you spend a lot of time building automations, switching to a darker interface can reduce eye strain, improve focus, and just make everything feel a bit more comfortable. The good news is that n8n makes this change quick and simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing a beat. Once you're in your n8n workspace, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation. Find and click on Settings. When the Settings area opens, choose the Personal section. This is important because theme preferences are tied to your personal profile, not to a specific project or workflow, so make sure you're in the Personal tab before moving on. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Personal Settings page. Near the end of the page, you'll see a drop-down labeled Theme. This is where n8n lets you control how the interface looks. If you don't immediately see it, keep scrolling to the very bottom, as it's typically placed there to keep your general preferences in one place. Open the Theme dropdown and select Dark. As soon as you pick Dark, you may notice parts of the interface previewing the new look, which helps you confirm the selection. To finalize the change, click Save. This step ensures your preference is stored and applied consistently, even the next time you sign in. If your screen doesn't switch right away, give it a second. In some cases, you may need to refresh the page after saving, but usually the change is immediate. And that's it. Your n8n interface should now be in dark mode. You'll see darker backgrounds, higher contrast text, and a look that's easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments or during late-night sessions. If you ever need to verify that the change was applied, just glance at the editor background and the side navigation. They should both reflect the darker theme. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the theme dropdown, double-check that you're in Personal Settings and not another settings area. Also, n8n's interface can evolve with updates, so if the option looks slightly different in your version, it will still be labeled Theme and located near the bottom of your personal preferences. That's all you need to enable dark mode in n8n. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, more comfortable workspace.